Direct line, contacting Finelo AI support. So, having trouble with your Finelo AI account or seeing charges you didn't expect, finding a Contact Us button on AI education apps can feel like a scavenger hunt. Whether you're locked out of your lessons or trying to manage a subscription, you need a direct line to a human. And today I'm showing you the official support emails and the phone numbers you can use to get a response. Alright, and the first one and the most effective way to reach Finelo is via email. And to do this, just open up your usual mail app. In my case, I just use Gmail. Then just press Compose, and under to, you can just type in this email. So it's going to be support, then at finelo.com. There you go. It even shows us this address. If you are dealing with a billing dispute or a refund request, users have had better luck emailing the care team at finelo.com. So just instead of support, you just type in care team without spaces. Include your account email and a screenshot of the transaction in the first message. Also, Finelo's support team is high volume, and providing all your data upfront can save you 3 days of back and forth. And if email fails, you can try the technical route. So you can try calling the listed support line, and you're looking to use this particular number. And if you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play, don't wait for Finelo. Just go directly to your phone's subscriptions menu and cancel there. Also, if you feel you've been wrongly charged, file a report, a problem claim with Apple or Google. These platforms this year often issue refunds faster than the app developers themselves. Also scroll down, go to the Help Center, and this might help you as well. As you can see, for example, how can I apply for a refund? You go here, you can see we have the email addresses that you can send the mail to, etc. So just read this. And don't let your subscriptions run on autopilot. If this Finelo guide helped you take control of your billing today, smash that like button.